Hello students, myself is Parminder Singh from Prab Kripa classes. Our today's topic is Money Magic Decoding Fractional Reserve Banking. After going through this course, the students will understand what is the meaning of fractional reserve banking, why do commercial banks need to hold reserves in fractional reserve banking, whether separate ratio is assigned for cash and funds at central bank in the fractional reserve banking system. Normally what happens when we go to the bank and say deposit $1,000, the banks have to comply with the reserve requirement which has been fixed by the central bank. Thus, say reserve requirement is 10%, the banks keep 10% and they give $900 on loan. So now we will understand whether this reserve requirement is further subdivided into how much percentage should be in cash, how much percentage should be in funds which are to be parked with central bank, whether separate ratio is fixed where the total is this. Now how the fractional reserve banking works, this $900 is again treated as deposit and it is again given on loan after keeping fractional reserve. We will understand all this. The students will also understand, do commercial banks have the authority to produce physical currency, or the authority to produce physical currency rests with the central bank, which in case of United States it's Federal Reserve, or in the case of India it is Reserve Bank of India. Now the students will also understand, why do most countries grant the central bank the sole legal power to issue physical cash? It means that why physical cash is only issued by the central bank in most countries. The students will understand who is responsible for the production of physical currency in India. What is the situation? What is the scenario as regards to India so far as the physical currency production is concerned? How do commercial banks generally acquire physical cash to meet their operational needs, to feed the ATMs or provide cash to the teller services? Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.